We can see the castle.
Mind yourself.
We're here. We made it. So cute. Thank you. We ate lunch and I filmed it, I think. I can't really remember. I'll put in a picture here of what we ate for lunch. We had the corn dog nuggets with cheese sauce and hot dog. And now we are standing in the queue to hopefully get into Space Mountain after it's just opened up again. Then we plan to go to see the characters and go on the riverboat and then slowly head out by doing a little bit of mooching through the shops, going to Pandora, go to a resort maybe, depending on the time, and then go home and sleep pretty much. We all need an early night tonight. I was just going to say we did Space Mountain, it's really good, wasn't it, Mum? Love Space Mountain. We're now walking underneath Tron to go somewhere else just because we've got to wait 80 minutes for it right now. But here's Tron. I have to wait until one of the things go past. I know if I press the button to turn this off, it will go past. Oh no! Oh, there we go.
We let Chloe just go by herself.
Welcome aboard the Liberty Bell. I'm your captain, Horace Bixby.
Right, we're back to the room, shower, out about 7:30 for something to eat.
Yeah.
Just to McDonald's, whatever.
Yeah. And pop to shop.
There was a Walgreens just over the road.
We are leaving. Sad face. Oh well. Just for the day. Not leaving for good. Ah, it's scotchy. Ah, don't like it. Oh, I don't like it because I feel like I'm going to slip.
You'll be fine, and if you slip, I'll laugh at you and help you up.
Guys, do we want that picture?
Oh yeah, we do, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we have to...
Yeah. That's how our last one is. Okay.
Not too much of a queue, is it? It's just too
Well, but there's like a whole queue thing on the floor, so that's good. Uh-oh. Anyway, we're leaving Magic Kingdom. We've spent lots of money. We're going back, and then we're going to go have food. Yeah. Oh. Good morning. It is now the next day. We were all absolutely exhausted and soaked yesterday. I think there was a clip there of outside the McDonald's door. Yeah, me and my dad had to walk through that and it felt like hail hitting our bodies. We only had ponchos on, so my shoes are drenched through and it felt like walking through like a kiddie pool. But we all had such a good day yesterday. My top 3 was definitely Small World because it's my favourite ride, and Tiana's because it was actually a really good ride. Tiana's was, and maybe not for you because you got soaked, but for me it was a really good ride. And what would be my third top thing? Eventually just the Starbucks and sitting down. We were very chill. We had a very there was multiple times where we went to go to another ride and it was shut, and then we just ended up sitting down and doing nothing. But it was so relaxed, which was so nice. Yeah, we had such a good day, and we're moving on to the next day. we're definitely going to go back to Magic Kingdom, hopefully in the evening, but because it's been thundering so much, we haven't found a day yet where the fireworks will be on, so hopefully we'll be able to go back and see the fireworks soon. But we'll just do like an evening in then. Yeah. Today we are off to Universal Studios, like the Universal side, and we're going to head out for breakfast in a minute, as soon as Chloe's ready, and we're going to go to either Denny's or IHOP for breakfast, have a nice big breakfast, head over to Universal. For us, I think Universal's a lot more mooching. Hopefully Dad and Chloe will get to go on Hulk and maybe one of the other rides if the queue's not too bad. And there's a few pins I want to get from Universal that I didn't get last time. But other than that, it's just going to be a nice slow day. We might go to the cinema later if it rains again. But other than that, it's just going to be a nice day. More Harry Potter stuff for my mum. So let's see where the day takes us.
Yeah, that time of year is sausages. That's probably alright. Pancakes.
Ariana Grande is very tiny.
Is Ariana Grande in it?
What? That is Ariana Grande. Alright. First ride of this part is Transformers. I'm pretty sure it's going to make me sick, but it's fine. Chloe, come over here. Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Sometimes like you. You're no, I'm with me. Let me open this up. Now we're going to get a bit closer to us. Right, welcome. Thank you, go right. Well, I can let you touch it. Right, here we go. Big smile, please.
Yay! Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks very much. You're very welcome. Have a lovely day.
I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, I'm ready. So we've now done Transformers and Gringotts, which are both 3D rides, and they were good, very cool. Now we're just having a little walk through the Harry Potter bit, what's it called? Diagon Alley, and then probably food later. Yeah, it's 11:30 food. Beautiful look right now. We're about to watch, I've already forgotten what it's called. It was movie, epic movie parade. Some kind of parade in Universal. We're just sat on a bench. We've been sat here for half an hour waiting for Chloe and Dad to come off of a ride as well. So she'll see what this parade is actually like. But we just wanted to sit down for a minute, and we're here more for the vibes than the rides anyway, so let's see. We've now finished in Universal Studios for the day, and we're going to the outlets, one of the outlets, right? Yep. So we'll see what we buy very much there. I don't know if I will buy too much.
Warehouse.
So I might buy some stuff in there, maybe some pins or something. Yeah. We'll have a look. Maybe if there's a good lounge fly, I could, but I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, we're definitely coming back to Universal when the train is open. What's the train called?
Hogwarts Express.
When Hogwarts Express is open, because it was closed today. And Dad still wants to do Hulk in the other park, and just a few more bits. But we're not really desperate. Yeah, so we're going to go shopping and then back and sleep because tomorrow's EPCOT.
Yep. And wait for more thunder.
Yes, there's more thunder tomorrow, isn't there? But it's EPCOT, so we'll just be in and out of the world, in and out of the shops. And yeah, so I'll see you at the outlets. Let's go! Yeah! We're off to EPCOT. I fell asleep so quickly last night after my shower. But I've still got to do the Harry Potter pin unboxing. And I've still got one from Magic Kingdom as well I need to do. But I've got some pins to trade today. And I'm in my Princess Jasmine Disney bound. It's not very much, but it's cute. I've got my bubble braids going. We're going to take some pictures. Today's going to be really, really hot and humid, so it's going to be in and out of a lot of shops to keep cool. Lots of hydration, and just see all the things, take lots of pictures, enjoy the moments, and see where the day takes us. Good idea. And then I need to...
Clouds go black, echo birds take flight. Let the sky wide, no sheet.
Okay.
Just tide aloha, breathing.
We just came out the Nemo ride and forgot there's a whole aquarium area here. So we're just having a little look around. It is so much fun and it's nice inside in the cool area. So we're currently looking for the manatee.
It's plum sauce, it's plum, so it tastes like plum.
What do you think, Mum?
This, that smells like medicine as well. Yeah, it's got a back end smell. And the perfume is back end. Oh, it's raining. We've done 3 rides so far at 1 o'clock and we've already had lunch as well. And then Chloe and Dad are going to go get Chloe's lightsaber. And me and Mum are just going to chill, probably, for a little bit. Then we're going to get a snack and see what else we can be bothered to do. But then it would depend on the weather as well because it keeps raining today. So there's a few ponchos coming out.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Are you nervous, Chloe? Can I see up your nose?
There's just too many decisions I can't do it.
Black and gold one.
This one?
Yeah. Do you like it? Oh, right. Assuming it goes on the bottom, right? Or does it go on the top?
On the bottom.
I like the first one, it's a bit chunkier. To hold it like a lightsaber.
Do I hold it with 2 hands? 1 hand?
Yeah, depending on what they were doing with it.
This moment, take a deep breath. Truly, stop your day, focus your energy, and picture your crystal one last time. Now see it becoming your lightsaber's blade. The force is strong in this room. You can open your eyes. The lightsaber. Take a look at the ceiling.
We've now left Hollywood Studios and are attempting to Skyliner to EPCOT. Attempting to Skyliner to EPCOT. To Skyliner, yes. Not to get on the Skyliner. To get on the Skyliner for the first time. And I think Dad and Chloe are probably right that I'm probably going to be just as scared as if it was any other ride, because it's so high up and I don't really like the heights, but I had to go on it. I had to try it once. Like this. Up there.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner. Exiting
We're in EPCOT now, finally. The Skyliner was good. It wasn't too bad to take. A bit weird up in the air, and it did stop once, which really scared me, but it's fine. We're gonna get some food and chill for probably for a few hours. I don't think we're really gonna have time for any rides before hopefully the fireworks. So we've somehow survived until almost 9 o'clock. Ready for the fireworks.
First day without storm in the evening.
Yep. We had a little rain earlier, but we finally, hopefully, are getting to watch an evening show. But we're also gonna absolutely EPCOT. Woo! This is really good fireworks last time, so we're hoping it's going to be just as good. We're just expecting to stand up somewhere. We don't care about anything, like it starts in 20 minutes, so we can do that.
It doesn't even look that busy.
No, but I guess because it was raining earlier, so people just assumed that it was going to be off.
So Magic Kingdom, I remember it being hooded and someone just pushing it in front of us.
Yeah, it was really bad in Magic Kingdom. But here you've got the whole way round, so it's kind of better. And then tomorrow we're going to have a lay-in, and we don't really have any plans because we've now hit off all of the parks that we want to go to, other than water parks. So tomorrow's a lay-in in the morning, so we can stay out late tonight. And I'm going to crash as soon as I'm back. I'm going to have a bath in the morning, a nice chill time. And then
You either go stand behind one of these people
But yeah, I will show you a bit of the fireworks, and then I will be asleep, so I will not film once we're back.
Yes.
And I will talk to you in the morning after that.
Really, where you want to stand?
Okay, we're back now from EPCOT. The fireworks were amazing. We managed to sneak out after with 5 minutes left to spare and watch them as we were walking out. I did Chloe's hair today like Ray, and this is the aftermath of me taking it out. I haven't brushed it yet. Look at that, it's like basically stayed in place. You can see the bubbles. Yeah, the only bit that's come out is like where it was in a bun at the bottom is now just like messy curls. So definitely going to be a hair wash tomorrow depending on what we do, but I just thought I'd show you the aftermath because it was really funny. And we are going to sleep now as soon as I brushed her hair, and we're all having a lay-in, and we will see what we end up getting up to tomorrow. But I will show you. Maybe I won't film much, maybe the morning's just going to be a chill, so it will just be whatever we do in the evening, afternoon, whether it's shopping, like food shopping, other shopping, a park, all just depends on our mood. So see you tomorrow.